guys, it's John and Kayla from the House of Dickenstock'S, and we've got some exciting news. It's new door day. Now, we've decided to get rid of this door. It's timber, it's single glaze panes, and it's cold and drafty, and we need a new one. We've decided to go with Palladio door collection because we both loved the design your own door feature on the website. You can pick the glazing, the style of the door, the colour, and we know all about the safety features that comes with Palladio doors. We can't wait to see what the new door looks like. We've got the guys from Glazedale here installing it today, and we'll show you when it's all done. I love the fact that we've gone for the satinised glass as well, and with it being Palladio doors, all their doors are triple glazed as standard, so it will keep the drafts out.
Yep.
Also, the fact that we've gone for the black and it being full finish, so it's not going to fade.
I can't wait for walking down the stairs without it being draft as well.
Oh my God.
Sitting in the lounge, have the draft come through the door, not jam.
Right then guys, look, we're all in, all done, all finished. Super happy with it. The colour, well, we chose the Dublin. We think it matches the house perfectly. Absolutely loving the colour. Also goes with the rest of the black of the house. Guys from Palladio, the guys that also installed it, did an amazing job. It looks amazing. We're so happy. Can't wait to get using it.